buddy Brandon with Bearded CB82, and today we're at it with a mail call from everybody that insists on killing me because, yeah, this is what I had at my post office box. One of these that's in this box here I was expecting. That's from Justin ATV. The other two that I have here, I've not a clue on who sent them or as to why, but y'all are trying to kill me. I do appreciate it. Y'all that do this, you are the supporters, and I'll say it, you know, Capri does a lot for my channel, and there's been a couple other people I've worked with that have, you know, helped me out, but it's y'all out there that keep on doing this are definitely my biggest sponsors. Those of you that watch and do things like this is it's humbling, and I greatly appreciate it. Thank you guys very much. So without further ado, start off on the first package. I kind of have an idea of what's in here just due to how it feels through the bag. So what exactly, I don't know. So without further ado, there's a few things in here. Oh, baby. Ooh. I have an idea. Some stuff in here. Let's see. I think that's everything out of that bag. Really? Okay. I have an idea. Let's see here. B52. Coltan Evans, yet again. So I've got my gift receipts. For anyone that likes a finer tooth ratchet, Williams makes these round head ratchets. Thank you very much, Coltan. The model numbers, well, we'll start on this one. This is the B52A, Bravo 52A. Looks like a 3/8. So 52 tooth, I take it. Williams. There we go. Focus on the ratchet. Made in the USA. B52A. Been a little while since I've had a... Come on. There we go. My phone did a weird update, and so it's funky now. Oh! It's a 3/8 ratchet. That's a lot finer than 50 tooth. That's a lot finer than 52 tooth. Sure feels a lot finer. But yeah, so there's the 3/8. And then the S52, which is the 1/2 inch. Same thing, Williams, made in the USA. Oh man. That's nice. A little bit stouter on the head. Q air compressor. No videos, true CB video without the air compressor. Unless I'm outdoors and I don't have to worry about the air compressor, then I just got to worry about pheasants and people interrupting because we all like to joke around. But that is something else. But yeah, thicker on the heads. Say your average snap-on 1/2 inch is about as thick as a 3/8, and that's about 3/16 of an inch thicker on the head. And wow, stout. That's actually got some heavy, it's a heavy beam style roto head. So yeah, we're thank you. I got more stuff to test out now. Thank you, Colton. I do appreciate that. These are cool. Yeah. So finer tooth ratchets, Williams makes these as well. Made in the USA, so not too shabby. Now, it's from ArmorTool, obviously Amazon. Don't know, it's also heavy. Oh, it's one of the foam-filled bags. Good Lord. Okay, so let's see here. ArmorTool, automatic auto adjust technology. That's heavy. ArmorTool, made in Taiwan, based out of San Diego, California. So it looks like it's got an auto, rather than having to screw it down, it's like it's got a sprag clutch style design. We'll have to get that unclipped here in a second. And, oh, needle nose style too. Okay. 7 times faster, 100 times easier, 7-inch needle nose ones. This is the Alpha 09300 Golf for the needle nose, and Alpha 10100 Golf for the heavy duty ones. And okay, see who the guilty party. Coltan Evans. I've bought myself a pair of these things to clamp together and love using them compared to the screw adjuster type. Found just as useful for you. Man, I'm gonna have to get a hold of your address here, Colton. I have to find out what type of beer you like. Let's see, anything else? Nope, that's just a piece there. Okay. Thank you very much. Actually, so Colton is trying to kill me. He's the guilty party. Grab thick or grab thin without adjusting. Yeah, I know. Let's see. Oof. Okay, so it does have auto adjustment type. ArmorTool. I don't know if I've seen advertisement for these on Instagram or if somebody else had them. I remember seeing the name around. And hey, looks like I've got a turbo nut right here, so let's... Okay. So, normal, and then it goes clutch engages. Put the nut in there, and you squeeze, and then it engages and locks in. Huh. Yeah, well, and it's on there. There's for that one. That's definitely a different design. That's cool. Now for the big ones, these are stout. Okay, we'll take the same, okay, so goes and then you start to feel it engage. Stick a nut in there. Goes, start to feel it engage. Okay. And it does have what appears to be a tensioning screw right there, I think for fine, oh yeah, that's your fine tune. If you really got to clamp it. But okay, so you can either, if you know you got to crimp light, or you got to grip lighter or grip harder, you can just fiddle that little screw around that's right there, and it'll either go lighter or screw down a couple more notches and it'll go tighter. So go right about happy medium. That's pretty dang cool, actually. Heck yeah. That's pretty spiffy. We'll definitely be giving these guys a try and a rundown here on the shop. So, Colton, thank you very much. I do greatly appreciate it, sir. And now, for the next thing. It's heavy. Moog parts, steering and suspension. I don't recall any... he didn't say what he was sending. This is from Justin ATV, this box here. Shipping on it was not particularly cheap. Packaged very well. And got that one. Got that one. Now let's see. I got shop rags. Smells like oil. It's a shop rag. What's that? To have a brake fluid and maybe a little bit of ATF. Penetrating oil. Yep, definitely some penetrating oil in there, but slight hint of brake fluid, dab of ATF, but some penetrating oil. So thank you, Justin. Shop rags are always appreciated. Now, actually, that's what he used, because I did get a couple magnets as well. So you know where these will be going. I got a ToolBox Widget mini screwdriver. And a whole box of ToolBox widgets. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 of the modular screwdriver holders, and 1, 2, 3, 4 of the wrench organizers. So I got me some ToolBox widgets. Thank you, Justin. I know he was doing a giveaway. I didn't see where he had posted the Instagram winner. Things have been hectic here past few weeks. So I think it was around Christmas or January was when he was doing his giveaway. So I think I won the giveaway. Or he had extras and was extremely gracious and sent me ToolBox widgets, and those actually got some good magnet in them. So, well, you know what that means? Means I drop stuff. Means I gotta go reorganize again wrench and screwdriver drawers. Man, people sending me stuff, and now I gotta get to work on, man. Thank you guys very much. It is greatly appreciated. So yes, the screwdriver widgets, those are gonna come in handy because I do have some more room for those. The wrench one, so that's enough to hold air compressor, 40 wrenches. So this will actually work out really nice for when I need it to, because I've been eyeballing some other different wrenches or wrench holders to organize my ratcheting wrench drawer. So this will actually come in really handy. I do have a whole bunch more picks and screwdrivers and stuff that I've been wanting to get organized in there, and it came with another ToolBox widget mini screwdriver, and there we go. So I'm gonna get to organize them, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you guys very much. Thank you, Colton. Thank you, Justin. Do greatly appreciate it. Everybody else that watches, greatly appreciate you guys too. Remember, shop safety is just as important as firearm safety. You screw something up, somebody could die. And I'm gonna leave links down below to these guys here. So thank you guys very much. Do appreciate it. Take care.